back here on the Ferrari, and it's now operating. As you can see, I had core removers in here when I performed recovery and recharge and evacuation. You see we have our old tried and true Sandin 709, indestructible, very durable compressor. The back of the head is warm. The body is comfortable. I'd say about 105 degrees. The back of the head's about 120, 140 degrees. The suction line is getting condensation on it. We could not find the charge quantity, and so we're sorry, I put 1.5 in it. So for cooling on this old Ferrari, you just have the center vents. There's really nothing out of here unless there's some other controls of it. I'm not on this car, I'm not considered with anything else. Just want to make sure they have good center vent. We have it on full maximum cooling, full fan. We have AC on, just push buttons. So that's it on that. I want to dial in the charge better once we find out the proper quantity. Radiator, no condenser in front. The condenser is under here, under the headlight. So actually it's the other side. There we go. So that's the condenser. Little rock there, that's it. Looks like something you would see in a grocery store under a sandwich cooler, or for a chiller for soda pops or something. That's it. That's the condenser. No miracle about the air conditioning on a Ferrari. I could not get my clamps on anything to take any of the temperatures. They're inaccessible and it's not worth my time. I know the system works. Let's take a look at the pressure. Nothing else means anything here. Just look at the pressure. Ambient temperature, 75 degrees. And as that fan cycles on the condenser off and on, we're going up to 200 and something, down to like 179 or so. Suction low side is kind of low on this. I mean, but this is normally really low. When you rev it up, this has a low expansion valve type system. If you were to use one of those little what is that, AC Pro cans with the little blue and green, and you tried to charge this system up way up into the green section, you would be way overfilled. And so that's all I'm telling you about that one. You do not use the average of, you know, 30 or 40 or somewhere up there in that little green section where they normally, this is down here in the teens and 20s. And I don't think I have much more to say about this Ferrari other than it went sweet and it's working good, and it has R134 in it, no longer R12. That's all.